high as f***.
How you guys feeling?
I'm f***ed up.
I'm alive, brother. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, brother, you are alive.
I want someone to like step on my fucking back and just crack everything.
When's the last time you smoked?
It was November of last year during Thanksgiving. Because you know, family trauma, how do you get away? Drugs.
I like the hand gesture.
You know, so there we go.
That means a lot to me, that you would smoke for me.
I love you with an LUV.
Oh.